grammar of moshimo nani nani tara. Moshimo nani nani tara is mean if, in the case, supposing something. In Japanese, when we use the grammar of moshimo, you can use with the verb only, but you change the verb to be the past tense, right? Past tense form or ta form. So you should begin the moshimo and some verb in the past tense and end by la, right? And you can put some plus after la. So in the case we use moshimo nani nani tara, is mean in the case or supposing or if, which means you have the condition, something like this. So now let's see some sample of how to use the grammar of moshi nani nani tara. For example, moshimo shiken o uketara gokaku shitai desu. Moshimo shiken o uketara gokaku shitai desu, which means in the case that I take the exam, I would like to pass. In the case that I take the exam, I would like to pass. The second example, moshimo jikan ga attara dansu o naraitai desu. Moshimo jikan ga attara dansu o naraitai desu, which means if I had the time, I would like to learn to dance. If I had the time, I would like to learn to dance. As you see here for the first sentence, use moshimo shiken o uketara, which means we change the verb ukeru to be the past tense. We can uketa and plus la, so uketara, which means if I, or in the case I take the exam, or if I apply for the exam, something like this. I want to pass the exam. Moshi jikan ga attara, right? For the second sentence, we use the grammar, we use the verb or aru. So we change to be the past tense, which should be atta. So la, so attara. That means if I had the time, right? Dance or naraitai, which means I would like to learn to dance. The next example, もし私が本当のことを話したら彼は怒るだろう。もしも私が本当のことを話したら彼は怒るだろう。Which means if I tell the truth, he will get angry. If I tell the truth, he will get angry. In this sentence, we use the verb hanasu, right? So we change to be the past tense, which is hanashita, and plus la, so hanashitara, something like this. So もしも私が本当のことを話したら彼は怒るだろう。Which means that you have the condition first, and after that you say the result that might be happen. If the condition like this, the result might be or may be like this, something like this. もしも願いが一つだけ叶うとしたらどんな願い事をしますか？もしも願いが一つだけ叶うとしたらどんな願い事をしますか？ Which means if you can have any one wish grant, what would you wish for? If you could have any one wish grant, what would you wish for? For this sentence, they use the verb suru, right? To suru. So when we change to the past tense, to shita. So plus la, so どうしたら、叶うとしたら、right? So もしも試験、もしも願いが一つだけ叶うとしたら、どんな願い事をしますか? So in this sentence, you can see that we will use with the verb とする, right? Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。